Hello guys, welcome back to Learn More Technology. In this video, we will start a new playlist of SQL. Okay, in this video, we will cover what is a database and what is a database management system. Okay, so guys, a database is an organized collection of data where is stored and accessed electronically. Okay, and it's work like a digital filing system that allow easy storage, retrieval, management, and updating of a data. It means suppose you have a shop. Okay, you have a one shop. Inside a shop, lots of shop. You have a grocery shop. Inside grocery shops, lots of things like a rice, pulse, gram, soap, shampoo. Everything is there. Okay, so this is called database. Okay, so your shop is called database because inside this there are lots of data, na. So this is called database. And what is a if we talk what is a feature of database? Now we will talk about some feature of a database. Go on the next page. Okay. And now we will talk about the feature of database. Okay. So feature of database is structure storage, data stored in a row, tables, column, consistency, same data stored in a same format, integrity and scalability. There are four main features of database. First is called structure storage, second is called consistency, third is called integrity, fourth is called scalability. Structure, what is the meaning of structure? Suppose you have a shop, okay. Inside your shop, lots of things, na? Lots of things. If you store structure storage like this is column only for shampoo, and this is column only for a soap, and this is column only for rice. So this is called structure feature of database. This is called structure storage. Consistency means same data type stored in a same format. If you use here like this column only for soap, na, so soap is as a same format, not inside a soap you can put like a shampoo. Don't put it like that because it's don't fulfill have consistency. Second is called integrity data remains accurate and reliable. Suppose it check your data is not a duplicate, it is correct format or not, so that's called we can use integrity. After integrity, scalability used to can handle growing data efficiently. Suppose in future your data is increased, you increase your item in a shop, it means you are able to handle or not. So that's reason we can use like a feature of database. After feature of database, see one more thing. Database is clear. Okay. So what is database? I already told database is nothing. It is a organized collection of data stored access in electricity. Electricity means suppose your all data is stored in your computer, you can access one by one. Okay. Now we will talk about what is a database management system. What is a database management system? So see here, database management system is a software used to create, image, and interact with databases. It acts as a bridge between user and database. Suppose you are a user. Okay, you are a user, you are using some data, you are using some software, you are using some software, na? This software, how to use, how to update, how to insert value, how to remove duplicate, how to create a column, everything you can do it inside this software. So this is work in a database management system. Okay, it is nothing, it is a software where you can create, image, interact with databases, which data you store inside this software. Inside your software already data is stored, you can go through inside it and you can update, insert anything. So this is called database management system. It acts as a bridge between user and databases. Now we will talk about what is the feature, what is the feature of databases. Yeah, function of database management system. So this is function like a insert, you can insert inside a database management system, update, delete, and retrieve data, data security and access control, you can backup and recovery, you can maintain and consistency. This all feature inside a database management system. So guys, this is from my side. So we will cover next topic in the next video. Thank you.